I got all my receipts here. What's 2 plus 2? What? Questions about? What's going on, man? I'm gonna get interrupted a lot during this video because I have little people. Disney is... what, baby? Leo? I'm in the bedroom. Is that Taylor? You need a haircut, dude. We gotta go get you a haircut before our next Disney trip. Yay! A haircut! You need a haircut too.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, let's try all that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 baby boys. Leo is 3, Taylor is 1, and I have been married to my best friend and high school sweetheart for almost 9 years. We've been together for 14 years and married for 8.5. So we live in Tennessee, but we love traveling down to Florida to go to Disney World. We love Disney World. We've loved Disney World since before we had kids. It's just our happy place. We love to go. And this video is a topic that I think a lot of people are curious about and have a lot of questions about, and that is the dining plan at Disney World. It does offer sort of an all-inclusive option. Kind of, I guess you could say that, as long as you eat within the rules of your dining plan that you purchase, because you do pay for it ahead of time. And that is one of the reasons why we like getting the dining plan, is because once we get there, our food is already paid for. They have 3 different types of dining plans that you can choose from, but today we're going to be talking about the lowest one, the quick service dining plan. It is the cheapest of the 3, not really that cheap, but it's the cheapest of the 3 that they offer. The quick service dining plan is like fast food type food, or kind of a fast food experience, not necessarily the type of food, but the experience. You walk up to a cashier or a counter and you place your order, you pay right there, you wait for them to put it on a tray for you, and then you carry it back to your seat, you eat, you're done, you're ready to go. That is one of the reasons why we like the quick service dining plan. We don't necessarily care for the table service dining plan because we do have 2 little ones, and we've found it to be a little stressful when you have 2 little ones in Disney World and you have all these reservations that you've got to get to. It may be that your kids are tired, they need a nap instead of eating, but you have this reservation, and if you haven't canceled it 24 hours ahead of time, you lose your money. Like, you have to pay. So you can't just not go. So you have to go. You have tired kids. This is just our experience. When babies are tired, we know they're loud and a little bit more hyper than normal just to try and stay awake. That stresses me and my husband out when our kids are just wild and crazy in a restaurant, because table service meals in Disney aren't really nice, and you're gonna wanna enjoy it. You're not gonna enjoy it if your kids are tired. So that's my advice. If you have tiny kids, you might wanna hold off on table service dining plan or too many reservations. We like quick service because we can come and go as we please, and once we're done eating, we get up and leave. We don't have to wait for a check. With that being said, let's get into it. With the quick service dining plan, you get 2 quick service meals per night per person and 2 snack credits per night per person. And the snack credits can be beverages like bottled drinks, including bottled water. We try not to use our snack credits on bottled drinks, and especially bottled water, because say a bottle of water is $3.50, a Mickey pretzel with cheese sauce is $7.25. They're both snack credits. So you're getting more for your money if you use your snack credit on a Mickey pretzel and cheese sauce instead of water. For comparison, I am including all the drinks that we purchased on our last trip as snacks, just to kind of compare money-wise, okay? For us, we have my husband and myself, and we have my 3-year-old son. My 1-year-old son doesn't count because under 2, and they can eat off of your plate, and some places they eat free. So we would have to purchase the dining plan for 2 adults and a child. Right now, the estimated cost for the quick service dining plan is $55 per person per night. $26 per child per night. So with 2 adults and we stayed for 3 nights, it would have cost my husband and myself $330 to purchase the quick service dining plan, plus another $78 for Leo, our 3-year-old. So that would have totaled $408 for the quick service dining plan for the 3 nights that we stayed in Disney. $408 for 3 nights, 2 adults and 1 child. Okay, that's our number that we're going to use for the dining plan. I saved all of our receipts from what we actually ate, and we did not get the dining plan. We purchased all of this food ourselves because honestly I thought, hey, we're going to get 20% off of food anyway with our pass holder discount. So, hey, we'll probably save more paying for it ourselves. That was so totally incorrect. I did not do my research. Most quick service locations don't accept a pass holder discount. The majority of restaurants that accept our pass holder discount, 20% off, is table service. And we didn't have any reservations this trip because it was a last minute trip. So here we go. Let's get started with what we ate. I'm going to break it down day by day. I'm going to give you the total for each day, the total overall, and then we're going to compare it to the quick service dining plan and see which one's cheaper if you save money, if you go ahead and purchase the dining plan ahead of time. Our first day in the parks was Friday, January 3rd. When we checked into our resort, we went to the food court and we ate lunch/dinner, a late lunch, early dinner. We got a cheddar burger, fries, and a drink, and that cost $18.48. We got an order of chicken tenders, fries, and a drink. That was $14.48. And then we got a cheese pizza slice, but the slice was huge. It came with a breadstick and a drink, and that was $14.48 as well. So we ordered 3 entrees for the 4 of us. Taylor always eats off of our plates. Honestly, we could have ordered 2 entrees and had plenty of food for the 4 of us. It's a lot of food. We kind of went overboard, but that was our dinner, technically. So that was 3 meals. Then we went into the parks. In Magic Kingdom, I got a churro with chocolate sauce. Leo got a churro with chocolate sauce, and they each cost $6.50. Ryan got a Mickey pretzel with cheese sauce. His was $7.25. Now here's the gray area. Like I said, we don't use snack credits for drinks, but for the purpose of this video, I counted all the drinks that we purchased this trip as snacks. We got a Coke, a Sprite, and another beverage, and they were all $4.50 each. The receipt just said beverage. I don't know what it was. I got a bottle of water that evening for $3.50, and I got an iced caramel latte for $5.69. And then at Epcot that night, the boys were hungry, so we got them an order of fries from the fish and chips stand. And they were $3.99. Again, just those fries would have counted as a snack credit. So for our first day, we technically you would have used 3 meal credits for our dinner, and then we would have used 10 snack credits that day. So 3 meal credits, 10 snack credits if we had been on the dining plan. We were not. So all of that food cost us $123.24 that day with tax. And usually in Disney, we do not eat 3 big meals. We'll either eat a big breakfast and then snack the rest of the day, or eat a snack for breakfast, eat maybe a large lunch, and then a snack for dinner. So for Saturday, we had an early lunch. I guess you could call it brunch, but they were already serving lunch at the food court. So we ordered a large pizza, family style. It's called a family meal, and it was a large cheese pizza with an order of breadsticks and a large salad with dressing. It also came with sauce for the breadsticks. It was a lot of food. We couldn't eat it all. Like, it probably would have fed a family double our size. 4 of us, it probably would have fed 8 people. Honestly, it was huge. We did not finish it. It cost $29.99, and if we had been on the dining plan, it would have been 2 quick service meals. That's awesome. To feed that many people and only take 2 quick service credits? Crazy. But anyway, it cost us $29.99. The rest of the day was snacks. we ate snacks for the rest of our meals. Leo got a Stitch cupcake for $5.99. He also got a bottle of orange juice for $4.99, and yes, he drank the orange juice while he ate that chocolate cupcake. Me and Leo and Taylor are addicted to churros. I might as well just tell you up front, we're addicted to churros. You're gonna hear a lot of churro purchases on this 3-day trip. Okay, so in Hollywood Studios, we purchased 2 more churros with chocolate sauce at $6.19 each. Leo got a 3-pack of Cuties, little like mandarin oranges. That cost $4.19. A bottle of Coke, $4.19. Mickey pretzel with cheese sauce, we got 2 of those throughout the day, and they were $6.79 a piece. And then another beverage, this must have been a fancy beverage, a specialty, it was $9.25. Again, I don't know what it was, the receipt just said beverage. So on this day, if we had been on the dining plan, we would have used 9 snack credits and 2 meal credits. We were not. So we spent, with tax, $118.43. Sunday, our final full day in the parks. For breakfast that morning, we went into Epcot and we got crepes. Ryan got a chocolate crepe for $5. I got a strawberry crepe for $5, and the boys shared a sugar crepe for $5. We got a bottle of Coke for $3.25. I got an iced caramel latte from Joffrey's for $5.69. We got a bottle of water for $3.50. Another bottle of Coke for $4.19, a bottle of Sprite for $4.19. Later that night, we shared an apple pie sundae for $6.79. And then we got a cookie ice cream sandwich for $6.49. And we got some mochi, which is ice cream. If you've never had mochi ice cream in the Japan Pavilion in Epcot, I highly recommend the next time that you go, get some mochi. So good. We got strawberry this time. Last time we got chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite, but I'm a chocoholic. But the mochi cost $7.99, but all of these things would have been snack credits. We had a big lunch that day at Backlot Express in Hollywood Studios. I got the Backlot burger. It's a huge cheeseburger with pulled pork and barbecue sauce on it. It was delicious. Came with fries and a drink for $17.98. The boys shared a chicken tender meal with fries and drink for $11.38, and Ryan got the chicken sandwich and fries for $10.99. So that day would have been 11 snacks and 3 meals. We didn't have the dining plan, so with tax, we spent $105.17. So let's get down to the math of the video. The total amount of money that we spent on all food and drinks while in Disney for 3 days was $346.84. That's what we spent out of pocket with tax for all of our meals, all of our snacks, all of our drinks for those 3 days. Now, I did categorize everything as far as snacks and meals to compare it to the dining plan. If we had been on the dining plan, we would have used 30 snacks and 8 meals. But if we had been on the dining plan, we would have only gotten 18 meals and 18 snacks. 18 meals and 18 snacks is what we would have been allotted. That would have been our credits. 18 meal credits, 18 snack credits for the 3 days. Like I said, we used 8 meal credits and 30 snack credits. And they say, ooh, what would you do there? Well, you can use a quick service meal credit to get 3 snacks. If you're out of snack credits and you still have meal credits, if you get 3 snacks, they're gonna use one of your meal credits for those 3 snacks. We used 8 meal credits, but we had 18, which means we had 10 left. Well, those 10 meal credits covered our 30 snacks, which means if we had already paid for the quick service dining plan for those 3 days, we would have still had 18 snacks that we couldn't eat. The dining plan for the 3 of us for 3 nights would have cost us around $408. We paid $346.84. So yeah, we paid less, but we also ate less. We would have gotten to eat 18 more snacks if we had been on the dining plan. Snacks vary from $3.50 to $7.50. Some are more than that. But based on what we ate, that was the average. So that would have been $63 to $135 more than what we ate. So that would have been anywhere from $409.84 to $481.84 if we had ate all the credits that the dining plan would have given us. If we had bought the dining plan ahead of time, it would have cost us $408. If we had paid out of pocket all the meals and snack credits associated with that dining plan, it would have cost us $481.84. Now, I am using the higher money amount for those snack credits that we didn't eat because that's what we do. I'm gonna use my snack credits for $6, $7, $8, $9 snacks because it's more bang for your buck. We didn't eat all of that. So technically we saved money, but we ate less. And if you've already paid for that dining plan and you have credits, you're gonna use them. So for us, the dining plan is worth it. For us to be able to eat all we want. We were very self-conscious, money conscious eating this trip. Usually if we see something, we're like, oh yeah, let's get that and try it. We might not like it, but let's try it because we have a credit. When we're paying out of pocket, we're not like that. We're like, yeah, that looks really good. I might not like it, so I'm not gonna waste my money on it. Whereas a credit, you already paid for it. You're gonna lose it if you don't use it. So my opinion is the dining plan is worth it. If you're going, especially for your first time in Disney, I highly recommend you splurging and getting the dining plan or waiting until a time where they're offering the free dining plan. And if you have questions about how that works, the free dining plan, it is usually, now Disney changes things a lot, but generally it is based on what resort you're staying at. This video was a lot of fun for me. I hope that it helped you guys in some way. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. I do lots of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering motivation as well. I will see you guys next time. Bye.